Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock fish. First, select fresh, lean white fish such as cod or haddock, which are ideal for this process. Thoroughly clean the fish, ensuring all guts and blood are removed. Next, carefully split the fish lengthwise, making sure not to separate the two halves entirely. A good rinse under cold water will remove any remaining impurities, preparing your fish perfectly for the next steps. After preparation, it's time for salting and initial drying. Lightly salt your fish, using approximately 1 tablespoon of salt for every kilogram of fish. Then, hang the fish in a cool, well-ventilated area, ensuring it's protected from direct sunlight. Good air circulation around each piece is crucial for even drying. This initial phase usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks, setting the stage for the final product. The extended drying process is vital for proper stockfish. Continue drying the fish for an additional 2 to 3 months, patiently allowing it to transform. Regularly monitor your fish for any signs of spoilage or mold, ensuring quality. The fish should become noticeably hard and brittle, having lost most of its moisture content. Ideal drying conditions maintain temperatures between 0 and 5 degrees Celsius for optimal results. Once fully dried, proper storage is key. Store your stockfish in a cool, dry place where it can last for up to several years. When ready to use, rehydrate the fish by soaking it in cold water for 1 to 3 days. Remember to change the soaking water frequently, at least twice daily, to ensure freshness. The rehydrated fish will then be perfectly prepared for your favorite culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.